Welcome to today's session. We'll be learning how to filter an array of objects based on a condition while also selecting only specific keys. This technique is useful for working with structured data, such as API responses or database records. The goal here is to filter out objects that do not meet a condition and remove properties that are not needed. For instance, we might only want users above a certain age, while keeping only their IDs and names. This function works in 3 steps. First, it filters the objects based on the condition. Then, it maps the filtered objects, selecting only the necessary keys to reduce. This ensures that only relevant data remains. The filtering process starts by removing objects that do not meet the condition. Then, map restructures each object, while reduce ensures only the selected keys remain. This results in a clean and optimized output. In this example, you filter users by age. The first user, John, is removed because he is under 25, while Mike is included, with only his ID and name remaining in the final result. This approach is highly useful for optimizing performance, handling API responses, and ensuring security by removing unnecessary or sensitive data before sending it elsewhere. To summarize, this function allows us to filter objects dynamically, keeping only what's needed. This is particularly valuable in large-scale applications where data needs to be structured and optimized efficiently. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.